Hey yo, y'all ready to get busy? Come on. Hey yo, it's time. This is what I do, my nigga. This is what I do. It's the original Max. It's Bumpy Knuckles, nigga. Alchemist. Let's go. It's Bumpy Knuckles. Alchemist. Y'all know what time it is. Original Max. Check it out. Listen, let's rock this motherfucker. It's time. Niggas better step their game up, or we ain't playing with your whack ass band. Got my nigga chopping at 12s in both his hands. Highly insured. Desert Eagle, Poly and Force. Can't seem to find my style. It's probably in yours. And my publishing is missing too. It's probably in yours. I ain't known for squashing beats. I'm not a fan of Inno. You a late night talk show, I'll break your Jay Leno. Nigga, I'm flawless, and I ain't never been knocked out. If niggas try to jump me, I take both of my Glocks out and ride past mom's and pop's house, clapping through a paper bag so the bullets don't drop out. You know my situation, I don't just only rhyme. I shoot every potential problem every time. I'm the George Foreman of rap, my grills are heavy nines, and I show up at your party with the streets of Palestine. Y'all know what it is.
Hip-hop drops on your head like
Max. Come on.
Hip-hop.
By the time I was 13, I'd already passed it. I was showing up for 8th grade, heavily blasted. Y'all wanna know why my rhyme flow steadily lasted? I'm a rhyming fucking madman like Old Dirty Bastard. You and me getting the beef, you won't see a casket. You'll be wrapped up in 45 pounds of plastic. Keep the 45 volume it blasting. You niggas sending death threats at Bumpy, and I'm constantly laughing. I gotta eat off the top, I'm highly giraffing. Why I rock harder than you do? What is you asking? I'm the rain when you outside, you bound to get wet. I'm the pain in your inside, you following death. Got gums in the right one, hollowing left. Like bums in the nighttime, following breath. Looks bad if we got in the dress. Looks good when you was talking, dude, but now you a mess. Come on.
Hip-hop.
Yeah.
Hip-hop.
Hip-hop. Gotta know.
Hip-hop drops on your head like Hip-hop.
From the gutter. From the goddamn gutter.
Drops on your head like
Listen, got streets all in my blood, I'm rocking like coke. Boiling in a coffee pot with baking soda hopes. Pain I feel in my heart, send vocals to the throat. Telling my niggas who ride to die or don't vote. Cops are fouler than crooks when crooks get a badge. They come into your hood with their pants in a sag, knowing we truly got problems that they can never fix. So they throw a nigga in jail where he could die for kicks. Kill crab niggas like faders, all up in the mix. Got you tied up on that dynamite, blowing on the wick. Be up strong like them black babies growing up on wick. Hard time got they mama Duke, hoeing up on 5th. 1, 2, I pull out mines and I ain't trying to riff. Blow your eyes, clock brains out, and then I smoke a spliff. For niggas I rap drama and bring it as a gift. For honor I spit llamas and leave a nigga stiff.
hip-hop.
Come on.
Hip-hop.